Deep in the heart of Africa lies a land of immense beauty and biodiversity, the Congo Basin. This vast rainforest, a tapestry of emerald green, is a world teeming with life. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Rivers snake through the jungle, their waters reflecting the sky above. The air hums with the sounds of the rainforest, the buzzing of insects, the calls of exotic birds, and the rustling of leaves as creatures large and small go about their day. This is a place of vibrant life, a testament to the power and wonder of the natural world. Here, amongst the towering trees and tangled vines, gorillas and elephants coexist in a delicate balance. The Congo rainforest is their shared home, a place where each day unfolds with the rhythm of the wild. Here, under the watchful gaze of ancient trees, the story of gorillas and elephants is written anew each day, a testament to the enduring power of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Gorillas, the gentle giants of the forest, roam these lands in close-knit family groups. Each group, led by a dominant silverback, shares unbreakable bonds of kinship and affection. The silverback, a majestic figure with a crown of silver hair, is the protector and leader of his family. He guides his troop to the best feeding grounds, settles disputes, and keeps a watchful eye out for danger. The females, nurturing and protective, care for their young with unwavering devotion. Playful youngsters tumble and wrestle under the watchful gaze of their elders, their laughter echoing through the trees. These youthful antics are not just for amusement, they are essential for developing the skills they will need to navigate the complexities of gorilla society and the challenges of life in the rainforest. A family of elephants emerges from the dense foliage, their immense forms casting long shadows across the forest floor. The matriarch, wise and experienced, leads her family with quiet confidence. Behind her walk the other females, their calves playfully jostling for position by their sides. The air is filled with the sounds of their rumbling communication, a low-frequency symphony that travels through the forest. The gorillas, initially startled by the elephant's arrival, watch from the safety of a thicket. The silverback stands guard, his dark eyes observing the elephant's every move, ready to protect his family if needed. But there is no need for alarm. The elephants, gentle giants themselves, pose no threat to the gorillas. The two species have shared these forests for millennia, their lives intertwined in a delicate dance of coexistence. The elephant calves, equally curious, respond in kind, their trunks raised in playful greeting. The forest floor becomes a playground as young gorillas and elephants engage in a delightful display of interspecies play. They chase each other through the undergrowth, their joyful antics a testament to the universal language of play. This heartwarming scene is a testament to the natural harmony that exists between gorillas and elephants. These magnificent creatures, despite their size and strength, coexist in a state of mutual respect and understanding. They share the forest's bounty, each species playing a vital role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The gorillas, as they move through the forest, disperse seeds, contributing to the regeneration of the rainforest. Elephants, with their immense size and strength, create clearings in the dense vegetation, opening up the forest floor to sunlight and promoting the growth of new plants. Their lives are intertwined, their destinies linked by the shared fate of this precious ecosystem. Their coexistence is a powerful reminder that nature thrives on diversity and balance, a delicate tapestry woven from the threads of countless lives. Gorillas and elephants are not just inhabitants of the Congo, they are its guardians. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, a beacon of hope for the future of this irreplaceable wilderness. Their survival is inextricably linked to the health of the rainforest, a delicate web of life that provides essential services to the entire planet. The Congo rainforest is a vital carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and playing a crucial role in regulating global climate. It is also a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to 10% of the world's known species of plants and animals. Protecting gorillas and elephants means safeguarding this irreplaceable ecosystem and ensuring its continued contribution to the health of our planet. The future of gorillas and elephants, and indeed the future of the Congo rainforest, rests in our hands. We have a collective responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitat from the threats of poaching, habitat loss, and climate change. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the environment, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity, we can ensure that the symphony of life in the Congo rainforest continues to play on for generations to come. Let us be inspired by the example of gorillas and elephants, living proof that coexistence and harmony are not just dreams but achievable realities. Let us work together to ensure that their story, a story of shared lives and interconnected destinies, continues to unfold in the heart of the Congo, a beacon of hope for the future of our planet.